Hello students, how are you? Are you guys excited as I am for this awesome nano degree? Hope you are, guys. This is awesome. Let's do it. So let's get started with this. I'm glad you are all here, and I've set here a few topics a few subjects you can focus on. So firstly, who am I? So my name is Alex Pais. I'm a Brazilian. I do work in IT field for about a decade, but about programming, Python especially, web designing. I started in 2013, and Python a couple of years ago. Through my first nano degree, I have here with Udacity. There was a data science, foundation data science nano degree, and I had Python as the main language. Libre Python, I think SQL as well. So, what about this nano degree? This nano degree has as the main language Python. Yeah, but I will show you a few another resources so you can learn a little bit more of the main language of the structure of the internet. The one where it's made the most know up all every site you can see on the internet, or you can say 99.99% of the websites internet that are available. So just before getting started, let's clarify a few important things that will make your life easier while learning programming with Udacity. In this video, I will show you where you can find help when you get stuck, so we will be through an internal and also the external resources where you will learn even how to ask questions when the doubts appear. Let's do it then. So the Udacity platform, you can find enough information so you can go through the contents and exercise. You can do it on your pace. Take your time. Suggest a few another places so you can see different things, different ways to do the things, how the people think about every situation, how are their codes, so you can learn in many ways. So you'll be working mostly with many people, especially working for a big company. We work with big teams, and we've got so many people, all of them think differently. No one think like another, so exactly the same way the other people think. They have a similar mindset, but they're still thinking differently. Well, here we have the beginning. Let's go back here. Don't pay attention too much on my stuff because I've been already studied for a while. So you are beginning now. You'll be on the main page of your classroom. So we start lesson number 1 and few lesson. And you have here more introduction. So always when you finish reading and watching, the contents are in the main page here, are on the page here of each lesson. You can press next here. You can click just the button down here, and you're going to face your next challenge. So before pressing that, let's do a few clicks here before. One of those is to know the knowledge base, where you get to learn the questions answered when the people, it seems like a forum when you can learn it, when the people have doubts. You do not you do not need to learn it just about your own doubts. You can learn about somebody else's doubts as well. That's great. And sometimes you have a doubt and just be answered, so you don't need it too long to get it solved, and that's great. So let's click here then. Well, there you go. So let's say you have a doubt about variables. Can you see here? Then all the talks that we got about the variables or the variables in it will appear on this page. Okay, another way to search is using the filter. Here you have your nanodegree. So this one is Intro to Programming Nanodegree. Yeah, you click on that, and you have you can see around here, or you can choose a project where you're stuck on. So there you go, the basic HTML page. And you have many questions. See, most of them have already been answered. So about CSS, Git. That's nice. Okay, and the other way, and the even faster, is the Student Hub. It's like a live messenger, and you can ask for other students, so they will chat directly with the mentors, like me in the case. I will be help you guys through these chat rooms as well. We just type in here your question. Or something like that, and you come here and paste your code just beside here at the end of the line, and you paste your code so you can read your code and help you to find where your mistake is. And here all the people are online, and through this channel it is much faster. Sometimes you have it answered like just in seconds or in a few minutes. Okay then, There you go, and let's click here. So you can go to another question so you can have a look what it look like. And here just choose how was this lesson for you. It was very difficult, it was so, and you are happy with your achieving. Just click that. If you have any suggestion about the lesson, just write here. Yeah, you can criticize or give it, say congrats, or tell you're not happy with something or some mistakes from the system. Yeah, do put here, write down whatever the problem is or the suggestion is, then click here to send and continue. And here you see a few videos. Yeah, here you can see the subtitles here. And you can use the subtitles. You can put it faster, smaller. Okay, then here you go. Speed normal, is lower, faster. So you can choose your settings for watching the videos. Sometimes it's too fast, you cannot understand. It's principally when the English is not your first language. And there you go. So what's on next topic is external resource. Let me show you now a few websites first. So when you have any doubt, you can come here. And I suggest you guys to have a look at the website, not only for Python but to HTML, CSS and JavaScript also, because they are the three languages are most used in websites and web apps, even to small program, bigger websites, and use them. I mean different flavors and different ways, but they are mostly used. So this first one is about the HTML, so you can have a look carefully. This is the structure where the web pages are put on the internet. And here on the second one we have Java. Everything you need about the Java, the statements, syntax, the variables, how do you assign the variables. So many nice things you can learn from here. And these are an open source website, so you can learn it for free. And it's pretty much clear, so you can come in here, try to avoid the Stack Overflow or Quora or GitHub, because they are more difficult to understand and to find yourself in the among so many professional questions. And the last one here for the same site, w3schools.com, is Python. You have the same here, the syntax, the numbers, operator, list, tuples, dictionaries, the statements if and else, loops, for loops, functions, and so on. And this one is the most important for this course, is the official documentation. So you can learn from here this tutorial. Yeah, all the topics you'll be seeing on the Udacity Introduction to Programming course. Everything you need you can find it here as well. And this is better because it's official. It's a Python official page, so you can find everything here. Part numbers, let's click on this. See, you know the syntax as well, you know the data structure, strings, so many things you need to know to help you out, to clarify your doubts. I'm sure you'll be pretty much okay with this. And we have you also, let's see, okay, our time is tight. Let me show you for the last one. And not this, maybe Foxit Reader. And this is Foxit Reader as well. We're gonna help you out if you want to check some ebooks. Then you can find many different information here as well. And I have a couple of Linux books. Then I suggest it for you to learn Linux as well, because Linux is everywhere. Use a lot of Microsoft as well, Windows, but many systems like Docker, even cloud, Google Cloud, Amazon, AWS. The most of the system and the features are used with Linux. They work much better with Linux. A few of them there is just servicing with Linux. They don't do work with Windows, unless it is Azure or C#, C++. But even Windows is starting to work with WSL. That is a Linux subsystem for Windows. So, and the Python books you have here, I've got 3 to suggest to you. For the beginners, the Python tutorial, Python programming language, tutorials point, simple easy learning. And from the website you can get this, tutorialspoint.com. The another one is Python Crash. This very good book, so you can do even gaming to give you a better idea how programming is. And the most famous one is just Think Python. This is the way they show you to think like a programmer and doing Python. That's even better. So that's it, guys. You can enjoy, you can go through all these suggestions I gave. So now you can start your happy coding with Udacity. And I'm sure you have, when you have any doubt, you're gonna remember all of this or any of these suggestions I just gave you. But just before I remember to ask you on the channels you have in the platform, like the forum and the live chatting. And the last tip that I give you guys is this console here. It's from Python Anywhere. It's a website as well. If you can see here, just at the bottom of this console is written here pythonanywhere.com. You can put .com at the end, or lowercase pythonanywhere.com, everything lowercase, and you can find their website. Python Anywhere is very good. Just type it here quickly. So running out of time now. A couple of more things here can show you. These are the variables, so I'm assigning a value to these variables. Now I'm going to sum them up, already printing, so it's pretty much easy though. So that is for now, guys. I hope you enjoy, and we see each other soon. And whatever you have the questions or doubts about the programming in this our course, you just ask us and search on the resources I just showed you up as well. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Happy coding!